turning, realizing dreams, science and technology, leading the times. Northwestern Bearing, inheriting power, running the world. NXZ Bearings was formerly known as Northeast Bearing Factory. In 1965, thousands of builders rushed to the Great Northwest to begin the arduous construction of the third line, building a new bearing factory deep in Helan Mountain. The Northwest Bearing Road is a continuous road of transformation and upgrading, and it's also a magnificent epic of endeavor. In 1996, the company was restructured and listed, becoming the first listed company in China's bearing industry. At the end of 2020, Ningxia State-owned Capital Operation Group became the actual controller of the company, resulting in the burden of reform and development and forging ahead. In the past 60 years of hard work and progress, Northwest Bearing has developed into a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, design, manufacturing, production and sales, and service of pearl bearings, and has entered the ranks of China's top 500 machinery and China's top 50 bearings, becoming the largest specialized bearing production enterprise in Western China. The company has strong manufacturing capacities with more than 2,400 sets of various types of processing equipment, more than 700 sets of high-precision and numerical control equipment, more than 100 sets of professional high-precision device, nearly 1,000 sets of various types of testing equipment. Products are widely used in petroleum machinery, metallurgical machinery, rail transit, heavy-duty vehicles, engineer machinery, mining machinery, construction machinery, military equipment, precision motors, wind power equipment, cement machinery and other fields. Metallurgical roller mill bearings are the company's leading products, the first choice of large and extra-large domestic steel enterprises, and are preferentially recommended by rolling mill design and manufacturing units. The company has the only domestic petroleum machinery bearing research institute. It's the most complete variety of domestic petroleum machinery bearings. The most advanced technology bearing supporting enterprise, products covering oil drilling rigs, mud pumps, pressure pumps, oil pumps, top air cranes, and other 13 categories. Rail transit bearings. In the 1980s, the company became one of the first manufacturers of railway front car research and development support. With CRCC certification for railway products, mixed oil box bearings have been officially installed in the Beijing subway. Heavy-duty automotive bearings. The models cover a load of 5 tons to 400 tons and develop near 100 kinds of products, such as wheel bearings, axle bearings, and steering mechanism bearings for heavy-duty vehicles. Construction machinery bearings. Products cover a variety of construction machinery supporting bearings, spherical bearings. The company can produce all kinds of spherical bearings with an outer diameter of 40 mm to 1,500 mm. Benevolent people do not worry, brave people do not fear. Facing a bright future, NXZ will continue to inject power into development of machinery industry. Provide honor and dream for the smooth rotation of the world. Create high-end manufacturing core technology and strive to write a brilliant future.